Hi, I'm Greg with Precision Replacement Parts. Today we'll be installing our GWT 2130-66, which is a lower liftgate seal on a 1966 to 77 Ford Bronco. We'll be showing how to do that on this 1966 first generation Ford Bronco. Let's get started. We'll go ahead and start removal of what appears to be some kind of a lower liftgate seal. Now that we have that old material off, we're going to get this cleaned up. I would caution you not to rub your hand along here because the burrs sometimes from the screw holes, you'll end up cutting your fingers. We're just going to go back through also with some adhesive remover. Just to clean and freshen that surface. Now we're ready to install the new seal. I can kind of put the new weather strip up in the area, kind of line up the screw holes, make sure everything is in place. We'll go ahead and start the install. We'll get these screws installed in the full length of the profile. Now that we have the weather strip installed, all the screws are in. Go ahead, close the lift gate, and you're done.